Your girl want to do a hair trick?
Yeah.
Roll your window down. Let's see if we can make
Hair
it
trick.
for her.
That's pretty loud. Made me sneeze. That means you did a good demo, dude. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Wow. Woo.
I got them smelling a little for
Yeah.
you too. These are two CV5 custom 18s, Corey SPL recones, 8-layer voice coils, progressive spiders, double stacked. This is 14 cubes. After displacement, I'm running 3 runs of 0 gauge OFC to the back to 1 limitless 12K. Triple inputs.
Is that a Cyber? Okay, Cyber 12K.
Yeah, Cyber 12K.
Wow. So is this box flat like right here, or does it?
It comes down to about here,
Okay.
and it comes back.
Wow,
Right here,
you
can
really
see it.
optimized your space in this. Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. That looks good. And you got a wood roof work?
That's three layers of 5/8 plywood,
Wow.
and that's running. What was I lost my
Yeah,
spot.
you're good, man. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. I'm gonna go check out the alternator too, and I'll get a demo. Be sure to give them a like. Stay tuned for more content and subscribe. Very nice. Wow.
And that's a Sound Digital Evo 12K. Being broken. We
Okay.
54.5.
All right. What was your name, man?
My name's Nick.
Nick. All right.
I'm with Team Run It Up.
Team, run it up. Nice.
If we can come up with a Sharpie, I'd love it if you signed the box.
Sure, man. Have you done any meter testing on it?
Yes. So far up in New York, where I'm from, it was peaking 33 hertz, and we did 155.6.
That's good. Very nice. Was that exceeding your goals, or are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My goal when I started this whole adventure was a 150.
Oh wow! So you're in the mid 50s now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why this is. There we go. I don't know why it is not. Oh, give me 1 second. You might have to
You're good.
disconnect and reconnect here. Good work. There we go. Here, actually, you know what? Your girl want to do a hair trick?
Yeah.
Roll your window down. Let's see if we can make
Hair
it
trick.
happen for her. Charge for a second.
Be sure to give them a like from New York and subscribe. Might want to take your hair thing out. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Nick system. He was at the Sundown audio show in North Carolina area showcasing his system. Two 18-inch subs on 12,000 watts. Was really impressed. I got a 3-song demo. He spent a good 12 minutes with me. So a really good, long, efficient video for y'all to enjoy. My wife got some outside flex as well as a good hair trick. So you got to stay tuned. I like the whole layout of the box from where the window line is, and then he dynamited everything to try to stop the flex. But with 12,000 watts on these two 18-inch subs and a 3-minute demo, you're going to see some annihilation and destruction on this truck. So shout out to you. Did a good job. Everybody hit the like button. If you notice the way he has his center port was a unique style with a center split to help reinforce the box. And maybe it could have been two separate chambers between each sub, but I didn't find out all of that. This is the amplifier he ran on them at 1 ohm, 12,000 watts RMS, and the lithium bank as he talked about. And if you notice the way he has his subs are mounted regular, I'm pretty sure these are rated at 2,500 watt RMS plus some upgrades that could be rated for more. But he's giving them all the juice. We're getting to the 3-song demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily videos and enjoy the demo.
Made me sneeze. That means you did a good demo, dude. That's awesome.
Thank you. Here, actually, you know what? Your girl want to do a hair trick?
Yeah. You can do everything, man. Awesome.
It goes from 24 up to about 41, 42.
Wow. Woo.
I got them smelling a little for
Yeah,
you too.
I appreciate the demo, man. And what was your name and your team?
My name's Nick. It's Team Run It Up out of Niagara Falls, New York.
New York, awesome. Thank you for the demo, man. Really good job. And it got good bandwidth too.
Oh yeah, it doesn't do bad.